my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A calm, encouraging, meaningful story about small efforts in life. There was a boy named Harsh. Harsh wanted to become better at many things. He wanted to speak good English. He wanted to be fit and healthy. But when he thought about big goals, he felt tired before starting. He thought, I cannot change so much. It is too difficult. So he did nothing. One day, his elder sister talked to him. She said, Harsh, do you know how rivers are made? Harsh said, No. She smiled and said, Rivers start with small drops of water. Drop by drop, they become powerful. Harsh listened carefully. She continued, Big change does not come in one day. It comes from small efforts every day. Harsh thought about this. The next morning, he made one small decision. He learned 5 new English words. Just 5. The next day, again, 5 words. Slowly, his vocabulary grew. He also started walking for 10 minutes daily, then 15 minutes. Week by week, he felt stronger. Month by month, he felt more confident because he learned something important. You do not need to do everything at once. Small efforts, done every day, create big results. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not wait for big motivation. Start small. Be consistent. Little steps every day can change your life. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep taking small steps, and always remember, little efforts make big changes.